Target Arm's technology turns any vehicle into a mobile drone base. Our current suite contains Ralar for launch and recovery of 1 to 2 drones, A-MMP, the Arsenal Modular Mission Payload, adds magazines with up to 10 drones in each, Ilar, the autonomous drone, and Maestro, the mission controller that runs all launch and recovery systems. On Maestro, one operator taps to launch. The payoff is simple: less workload, smaller teams, and faster drone use. Recovery is the hard part, and that's our clear differentiator. Maestro keeps it low effort. Hold in mission, recover, and you're ready to relaunch. The drone comes back automatically, even for battery depletion, without operator interaction. The new frontier for drones is mobile, adding mobility to your operations without extra cognitive load, team members, or certifications.